Hello, this is a video tour of 475 Tehama. We're at the exterior of the building. It's located in a great location in Soma. It is very convenient. Okay, so let's enter the building here. You have your call box to the right. As you enter the building, the mailboxes are to the right. To the left is the entrance to where the bike storage and storage lockers are for the unit. We're going to walk up to the third level where we're going to visit Unit 202. This unit also comes with a lovely rooftop deck, which we will show you momentarily. Okay, here we are. Straight ahead is the Unit 202. You walk into this amazing space. There is your kitchen. It is open to a nice big living room, and there to the right is the bedroom. The kitchen has granite counters, stainless refrigerator, gas range, microwave. Here is a nice coat closet and additional shelving for storage. There's your dishwasher, and you have a nice island that opens to a dining area, gas fireplace, TV with remote, and there is your living room with bay window. This unit faces the back of the building, so it is extremely quiet. Okay, so here is the bedroom. This is a very spacious bedroom. Can easily fit a king-size bed and so much more. This is the closet. It goes all the way back. Plenty of storage space. And here is the view out the bedroom window. You're facing the back of the building. This has double pane windows. Full bathroom. You have a tub and shower combination. There's your toilet, sink. You have nice subway tiles. And this unit comes with private, stackable, in-unit laundry machines. Okay, and there is looking at the living room again. Okay, so now from here, I'm going to show you the rooftop deck. You can visit rentalsinsf.com for still photos, beautiful rooftop deck, which is shared with the occupants in the building. And you have amazing views. Okay, if you're interested in this amazing space, please go to rentalsinsf.com. Thank you.